So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now we explain the idea of business. We how we start the business. So let's go. First we introduce the business, how we start the business. Starting a business is an exciting and challenging endeavor that requires careful planning, dedication, and a clear vision. Whether you venturing into the world of entrepreneurship for the first time or looking to expand your exciting skill set, the following paragraph outline the keys step to help you successfully start a business. Number one, idea generation. How we start the idea for business starting. Begin by identifying a unique business idea that aligns with your fashion, skills, and market demand. Research current trends, consumer need, and potential gaps in the market to inspire your concepts. First, we introduce the idea generation, how we start a business. Number two, market research. This is very important for business. Conduct conduct through market research to validate your business idea. Analyze your target audience, competitors, and industry trend to ensure there is viable market for your product or services. Number three, business plan. What is business plan? I explain. Create a comprehensive business plan outlining your business goal, target market, competitive analysis, marketing strategies, financial production projection, and operational plans. A well-structured business plan is crucial for attracting investors and guiding your business growth. So I explain number four, legal structure. What is legal structure? Choose a suitable legal structure for your business, such as a sole proprietorships, partnership, limited liability company, LLC, or corporation. Each structure has its own implication for taxes, liability, and management. So this is legal structure for you start a business. Number five. This is very important topic, and this is very important for your business when you start. Select a compelling business name that reflects your brand's identify and resonates with your target audience. Develop a professional logo. Logo is very important. Websites and other branding elements to establish a strong online presence. So I explain another topic. Funding. Determine how much capital you need to launch your business and explore various funding options such as personal saving, loans, angels, investors, venture capital, crowdfunding, or grants. So this is we explain the funding. Now business registration. When you start a business, so this is important for your business start. Business registration. Register your business with appropriate government authorities obtain any required license or permits, and adhere to local regulation. These steps legitimizes your business, ensures your compliance with legal requirement. So this is business registration. This is very important for your business. Now, location and infrastructure. Location is very important role in you start a business. If your business require a physical location, so you find a suitable space that meets you needs your need and budget. Set up the necessary infrastructure, equipment, and utilities to operate efficiently. Now, product or service development. When you start a business, so you think what product or what service we develop in our business. So I explain, don't worry, we explain. Develop your product or service to meet high quality standards, iterates, and refine your offering based on feedback from potential customers to ensure they meet market expectation. Now, marketing strategy. Create a comprehensive marketing strategy to promote your business. Utilize a mix of online and offline tactics such as social media. We we post on social media like YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, and so many other social platforms. Content marketing, SEO. SEO is very important. Email campaigns and network events. Now, sell approach. Determine your sell approach and pricing strategy. Establish channel to reach customer, whether through a physical store, e-commerce platform, or distribution partnership. So this is sell approach. Now team building, because you hire a lot of your boys in your teams. As your business grows, considering hiring a team to support different aspects of your operations. Look for individuals who share your vision and bring their work skills to the table. Financial management. Set up a robust financial management system to track expenses, income, profitability. Considering hire an accountant or using accounting software to ensure accurate bookkeeping. So this is very important for our business. Financial management. Now, customer feedback and adaptation. So this is also important for our new business when you start. Pay attention to customer feedback and be willing to adopt your offering based on their needs and preference. Continuous improvement is key to staying competitive. So this is customer feedback and also adaptation. Now sell and growth. As your business gain traction, explore opportunity for growth and expansions. This could involve introducing new product or services, entering new market, or diversifying your revenue streams. So this is very important topic. We discuss 15 topics on your on you when you start a business. So I explain the conclusion of these topics. When you start a business require dedication, resilience, and willingness to learn from both successful and failure. Remember that entrepreneurship is a journey, and each step you take bring you closer to achieving your business goals. So now you guys subscribe my YouTube channel, like my video, comment on video, and also share. Thank you so much.